YouTube, it's just Paul again. Alright, what's this all about? Alright, so it's not a long video. Just imagine there was a decal on here. We're doing face plates. I've done a lot of these now. Still a bit nerve-wracking when you go to do it, but all I've done is hot water, really hot water, 2 drops of dishwashing detergent in that. In this container I've brought the water up about this high, and I've taken the decal off and held it in the middle, not on the edge, because your finger marks will cause that to possibly lift and not stick that well. So I always go for the fatty bit on the decal. I've taken that off with one finger and run it through the hot water. As you know, I prepared this faceplate. This is a faceplate that I just painted yesterday. You can see a lot of work went into this to get everything with no marks, no gouges, everything's gone, as you can see with the video. A lot of sanding. Alright, so that's faceplate. Alright, I dropped the faceplate on the surface. This microfiber I'd folded into a small square. Dabbing the faceplate on the surface, that will bring up any high points. You can see just here there's a couple of little marks on the surface. Whilst it's still wet, you try to get those out. Most of them will be bubbles. But if you stand back, look at that, colour matches perfectly. Faceplate's great. That's going on the atoms to finish it off. Alright, that's your lot for tonight. CB Faceplates in the UK, CAD Graphics in the USA and Miami. They're the 2 companies that I'm using at the moment. Both offer a fantastic service, and as you can see, that faceplate is identical. As you can see, that faceplate is pretty close. I'd call it identical to factory. A lot of work's gone into the design and the laser cutting of the circles. Alright, the next video is going to be with the radio all finished up and done. Thank you very much for watching. Pretty good colour match. You can't even see the edge of the decal. That's how good it is. Didn't expect that. You can see the edge at the ends, but not on the top. You really have to look hard. Alright, that's your lot. Thank you.